My lord, my lord, my lord, only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died. Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam? Only 5 minutes only.
We will give you not 5, we'll give you 15 minutes. We are only pointing out.
Save democracy. May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because because of your kind kindness, my humble regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Panchali also, Panchali ji also. Thank you very much, and my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I am not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamta, sorry for interruption. The state of West Bengal, in its own right, has filed a petition, right? Today, of course, you are also coming in your individual capacity, but state of West Bengal, in its own right, there is nothing wrong in that. State of West Bengal has also filed a petition.
state of West Bengal is not.
One of the best concerns in the Supreme Court, fortunately, are there to not only are to represent the case of the state. Mr. Sibal appeared on that day. Today also, incidentally, Mr. Diwan is there. Then in the other matter, Mr. Gopal is there. The best of the team, the legal team in the Supreme Court is there to assist us in the matter. Mr. Sibal, though slightly elevated.
Sir, if you allow me 5 minutes only.
Now he is there.
Only 5 minutes only.
We will give you not 5, we'll give you 15 minutes. We are only pointing out that on 19th January, when the matter came before us, Mr. Sibal very eloquently he explained the procedural difficulties which the state was experiencing and where the state had some genuine apprehension for exclusion of the bona fide citizens of the India, citizens of West Bengal, the residents of West Bengal who are citizens of India. So therefore, those directions, the direction which Mr. Diwan just read out were issued. Today, in your petition, some additional issues are being flagged. Absolutely right. Issues are being flagged. Every problem has a solution.
And we'll
Sir,
suggest or place with your lordships the remedial
Sir,
measures.
please allow me to finish my point. Please,
Pretty much all
respected
these
Chief Justice, sir.
Not that
I am
can impose.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You will be surprised to know the, sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
Sir,
why we.
only, I just want to say. Number two, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. Their name also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to be, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy,
Madam,
now they change the name.
we put
No,
across-
instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they have violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number two, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, on with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling, and that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died, and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died, and also more than 150 people died, and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
Millets, it is there.
because of Bengal is targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state
Moral
government,
sufficiency will not
we
be
cried foul, saying that.
Why not Assam?
Any cooperation. They say.
Why not
It's
Northeastern?
fine.
Madam has come all the way to speak something.
Indeed, Millet.
So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or
Sir,
day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There are so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millets,
Don't
so
think
far as
that
the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp
Not-
commission.
it's completely away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look at
it is
what-
only the micro
Right.
observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Think, Millets, they could
These-
certificate on record, except.
May I just take you?
They are all government of India officials.
My lord,
They are-
even
My lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let,
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
let the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal
state
domain
officials.
Possibly for most of the
They
submission.
are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not
Yeah.
allowing the government certificate.
let there be a direction, Millets, we should be served the copies.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
My lord, it is pointed out the
May I
hostility.
just
which
have
is
1
there.
minute? I just
My lord,
want-
all
I just
observers
want to
are
highlight.
A victim, that's all, my lord. I am saying,
Sultan,
let us confine.
Ultimately, we
No,
will
no.
ask them to at
Both
least
of
2 days time we'll have to give to
Yes,
them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
Survey copy, Millets.
But fair enough.
Wait, Amma-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
2 things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, there is no problem of time, my
The
lord.
fir- the first,
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
अरे भाई, এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and
We
our
will grant it.
power is
We
there.
have been
to
extending
expand it
time.
by
We will- We have been extending time. We have been.
My lords have
I have-
passed a slew of directions.
My lordship,
Every
my
aspect of
lordship,
it.
with my humble regards, may I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have
whatever
pointed out.
my
and
opponent lawyers
I
raised,
accept that.
sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best counsel, senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him.
with his
assist us
permission,
on your behalf.
with his permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly
some
give
states,
them-
sir.
give us the-
just-
We have suppose 44 district, we have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright,
We are
are you-
cooperating to them
Are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro-
prepared to provide class two group?
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they are,
Alright.
we have
Go on.
given, but they are totally, they are telling
All right. Please
what I
provide.
don't believe.
I think ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number two, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
It's not the
This
forum,
is-
my lords.
Yes,
The platform
for to
is-
bulldoze the West Bengal people.
This-
Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the role observers.
My lords, they-
First,
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
personal pain.
and I will just
Thank
tell,
you, Justice Park.
save democracy.
Joy
Save
goes
democracy.
forward.
On 4th February 2026, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appeared before the Supreme Court of India in a high-stakes hearing concerning the Election Commission's Special Intensive Revision (SIR) of electoral rolls in West Bengal. During the proceedings, she strongly argued that the SIR exercise is arbitrary, opaque, and legally flawed, and warned that it poses a serious threat to free and fair elections. She submitted that thousands of genuine voters risk being wrongfully deleted from voter list, with instances of living citizens being marked as deceased and minor spelling or documentation error being treated as ground for exclusion. Mamata Banerjee maintained that such a large-scale revision conducted close to election could disenfranchise vulnerable sections of society, including migrants, the poor, and the first-time voters. She described the issue as not merely administrative but constitutional, stressing that the right to vote is the backbone of democracy. A key moment in the hearing was a request to address the court in person as party, citing her legal education. Through Supreme Court rules normally required arguments through an advocate on record. The bench considered both the validity of the SI process and her request to personally present submissions, making the hearing legally significant and politically sensitive ahead of upcoming elections. More updates will follow soon. Thank you. Jai Hind.